And we understand that one of your goals initially was to actually open up your own practice. Was that kind of one of the biggest learning curves to understand that this opening up your own practice isn't for everyone?
Yes. When I was in school, that's all I wanted. I figured that's what you do. You go to school, you gain your degree, then you have your own practice and you see patients. But as a contractor, I was able to work at many different modalities in optometry. And I started to realize that basically a lot of them all points down to insurances. And insurances is, where it's hard on the customer as well as hard on the doctor themselves, because we're getting basically a reduced rate for our fees. And it was just such a headache for private practice owners. And everyone I talked to who was in private practice was like, don't do it. Don't do it. It's such a headache. So I was like, I don't know, maybe I shouldn't do it. And just the fact that I'm able to set my own schedule, it was just such a no-brainer for me to just continue the line of work that I'm currently doing. So